Modifying words, adverbs. Nouns and pronouns are modified by adjective. Other parts of speech, such as verb, adjective, and another adverb are modified by adverbs. Modifying words, adverbs. Ang nouns o pronouns usually gi-modify sa adjectives, pero kung verbs, adjectives, o lain pang adverbs ang i-modify, ang gamit mao ang adverb. So in short, adjectives modify nouns and pronouns. Adverbs modifies verbs, adjectives, or another adverbs. Types of adverbs. Adverbs of direction. Tell the direction of an action. They normally follow the verb they modify. So, types of adverbs. Adverbs of direction. Kini nga type of adverbs kay nagasulti kung asa padulong ang action. Kasagaran nagasunod sila sa verbs nga ilang gi-modify. So, ang example is Cherry came in. Nisulod si Cherry. So, asa man diri ang adverbs of direction. So, ang in, Abigail came near. Niduol si Abigail. So, ang adverb of direction diri kay ang near. So, diri kita sa many of these directive adverbs are combined with verb to form idiomatic phrases or expression like give off, give out, give in, and the like. An idiom is a group of words customarily used in a language. Its meaning is different from the literal meaning of the phrase. So, idiomatic expression with directional adverbs. Dagan ani ang mga directive adverbs kay ginakumbay sa verbs aron mahimo og idiomatic phrases or expression. Example nila kay man ang give off, give out, o give in. Kini ang mga idioms kay dili literal ang meaning, lahi jud sa kasagarang pagsabot. For example, give up. Dili lang literal ihatag pataas, pero pasabot mo surrender. Give in, mo yield or mo sugot after resisting. So ang idioms kay grupo sa mga words nga commonly ginagamit sa usa ka language nga naa sila special meaning nga lahi sa literal nga pagsabot.
Adverbs of manners. Tell the way the action is performed. They answer the question how. So ang adverbs of manners is iyang ginatel og unsay gi-action sa subject. Then iyang gina-answer ang question nga how. Example is the old lady opened the door nervously. So the word nervously is mo ng adverbs of manners because iyang describe o giunsa pag-abri sa old lady ang door. The second example is the children ran playfully in the yard. So the word playfully is mo na ang adverbs of manners because iyang ginatel o giunsa pag dagan sa children. The third is Idel smiled sweetly. So the word sweetly is mo ng adverbs of manners. Adverbs of place and distance. So, ang adverbs of place and distance is iyahang gina-answer ang question nga where or asa nahitabo ang action. Example is the trust is everywhere. Ang adverbs of place and distance na is ang everywhere. Then the second example is we walk too far already. So, ang adverbs of place na is ang far. The dictionary was placed on the table. So, ang adverbs of place and distance na is ang on the table because iyang gina-state o gasa niya gibutang ang dictionary. Lorna is in the garden. So, ang adverbs of place na is in the garden because iyang ginatel o gasa si Lorna. Then, Elmo traveled around the world. Adverbs of time. Tell when the action was taking place. So, ang adverbs of time is iyang ginatel o kano siya nahitabo ang actions. Example is, Eloisa was here yesterday. So, the word yesterday is mo ng adverbs of time because mo man ay nag-describe kung kanus ani ana si Eloisa. Then, second example is, we didn't sleep last night. So, the word last night is mo ng adverbs of time because iya hamang i-state o nga si Eloisa is dili siya kay katulog tong naging gabi. Then at last, the game has ended. So ang adverbs of time na is ang at last. The visitors will arrive tomorrow. So the word tomorrow is mo ng adverbs of time kasi ang describe nga ang bisita is maabot tomorrow.
Adverb of frequency. Tell how often an action is done. Kibali ang adverbs of frequency naglaong siya nga unsa kadugayon matapos or kanos or adlaw adlaw-adlaw ba, monthly, ang ana. For example, employees are paid monthly. So ang adverbs of frequency ani is ang monthly, kay naglaom man siya kay ang employees daw are paid kung ibali kanusa sila bayaran ana ba. Ang ikaduhang example is we do our grocery weekly. So kibali maggrocery sila is every week. Naglaom man siya kung naglaom man siya nga ang adverbs of frequency ani is ang weekly. Tapos ang example number 3 is student go to school every day. So ang mga estudyante magto sa eskwelahan adlaw-adlaw, mo ni ang everyday is ang adverb of frequency. So I visit my friends. So example number 4, I visit my friend regularly. So ang adverbs of frequency ani is regularly. Kaya nagkuan man siya, naglamo siya kay movie ang kuan diri ang subject ani is ang visit mao na. Number 6, adverbs of duration. Tell the length of time a situation lasts. These adverbs can be single words or in phrase. So kibali ang adverbs of duration ang naglaom siya nga unsa ka dugayang mahuman ang panghitabo or situation kibali unsa ka dugayang mahuman ana. For example, the meeting will last till noon. So kibali ang adverbs of duration ani is noon, kay naglaom man siya kay mahuman ang meeting noon na. The second example is the athletes waited for a long time for the bus. So ang ikatulong example is Susan goes shopping most of the time. So gibali ang ni adverbs of duration is most. Tapos ang ikapat na example is Robert was here since this morning. Number 5 example is the nurse monitors the patient heartbeat hourly. So kibali dire is taga-oras kibali ang nurse mag-monitor sa patient ana. That's all.